Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to hard reset the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra through recovery mode. Welcome, this is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. This process normally removes a screen lock, but I can't seem to boot into recovery mode when forcibly shutting it off. If you know the pattern, simply power off the device from the notification panel. If the device is locked, it will ask you to draw the pattern to turn it off. You do need a cable plugged into your computer for this method. Press power key and volume down to force restart the device, then switch to volume up. If it doesn't work, turn it off normally by entering the pattern. Plug it in and hold power key and volume up to enter recovery mode. Use volume keys to scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Confirm with the power key. Select Factory Data Reset and confirm, then Data Wipe Complete will appear. Reboot System Now will be selected by default. Press the power key to confirm. The device will continue the reset in the background while booting up. Once finished, you'll be greeted with the Android setup screen. As you can see, the process is finished. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.